Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Nareth and welcome to Style Him Now, a channel that's dedicated to helping you improve your lifestyle, your fashion style, and your confidence. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simply style your hair in just under 10 minutes. So the first thing that you will need is a circular brush to curl up your hair while you blow dry it. A flat brush might work, but it will not work as well as a circular brush. So I would suggest getting a circular brush. Next, you will need a hair dryer, and I would suggest getting the one with a pointy end because you can directly blow on the specific spot of your hair. But if you don't have one with a pointy end, that is completely fine because it will work almost the same. And lastly, you will need pomade to style your hair and hold it together. For this video, I am using the American Crew fiber because that works best for me. I have longer and thicker hair, so I need something strong to hold my hair. But if you have any other products, that is completely fine as well. So to begin, you will need to find which direction works best for your hair. For me, my hair slanted towards the left side, so this is the direction that I will be blow drying my hair toward. And before I start, I use the brush to comb my hair a little bit so it's easier to blow dry my hair. I start blow drying my hair from right to the left side of the front, and I use the circular brush to curl my hair while I blow dry it, so that way my hair would stay up during that duration. I hold the dryer about 6 feet from my head and kind of wiggle it around so that way when it blows, it hits all area of the hair evenly. And I continue to do this about 8 to 15 seconds until I feel like my hair is getting a little bit drier, and then I move to the next spot. And I repeat the same process over again. Since my hair is slanted towards the left, I tilt my head to the left so gravity can help me blow dry my hair a lot easier without using too much strength on my arm. And then I repeat the same process on the side of my head. And then I repeat the same area until it is almost completely dry. And if your arm gets tired, then you can switch it up because after a while your arm gets tired. And once I feel like the front and the side is almost dry, then I move inward towards the middle and then towards the back of my head. And make sure you hit all area of your head evenly. I have this button on my dryer that is for cool air, so when I hold down the button, it will blow cool air. And when I feel like my hair is almost completely dry, then I would switch it up and use the cool button and blow my hair until it's completely dry, because this helps with holding your hair up and giving you greater volume. And I continue to blow every area of my hair while using the brush to curl my hair to make sure that everything stays up. And by the time I finish drying my hair basically stays in the style that I want. So the last part that I need to do is just applying the pomade to the hair to hold everything together throughout the day. I scoop a small amount of my American Crew fiber onto my finger and spread them all over my fingers so that way when I apply it, it will spread out evenly. And just the way I am blow drying my hair, I start with styling the front, and then I work my way down around to the side. And I use my finger to clean the separation between the top and the side of my hair. And once I finish that process, then I start to move inward towards the middle and the back of my hair. And once I finish the back of my hair, I am pretty much done with the styles, and the only thing that is left is just a little few touch up here and there to clean everything up to make sure that my hair looks crispy clean. So overall, this process only takes me about 10 minutes at the most from start to finish. And I really hope you enjoy this and find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.